Hi, happy day to all our viewers out here. So, myself Jay Lakshmi, on behalf of Mantra Goal Coachings, here with you all on today's episode of Mantra Bliss. Before I would like to begin the session, I would like to say a good news, which is good news for us and for all of you here, our clients. So, we are hoping we are back into business. With all the strict guidelines stressed by the government, our premises and our products are well sanitized and we are well set and ready with all the safety measures taken, with prioritizing your safety and health. Those who are not able to visit us at our showrooms, for you all, we are also available with our virtual tour of our showrooms. So, you can take a virtual tour of our showrooms with booked appointments through our customer support executive. So, you can book your orders and your orders will be delivered with all the safety measures considered, and it will be very sanitized, and our employees will do the needful to you, as your safety and health is our priority. With all said, you can now go to our link and get your orders booked, and we are ready to serve you. We are back again, and it's a happy news for us and for all of you here who are waiting to get your home decors ready and to celebrate your home and decorate your home. Okay, well, having said that, if all of you all who have been following us, who have been following us regularly through our live, for the past 2 months we have been helping you all out with all the tips that can be taken during this COVID-19 to overcome this pandemic safely. So, this week is yet another useful and informational session for you all to cope up with this pandemic disease. So, today's topic is going to be about how to keep yourself motivated, how to keep yourself energetic and enthusiastic even during these tough times. So, to begin with, when there was the announcement that lockdown is happening, then we all, few of us were hesitant and few of us were enthusiastic, thinking that what is all about, it's a new culture, like how is it gonna be, and few were very hesitant of what's going around us. So, with all these and around 1 week of work at home, we all came to a routine that we became very productive from working from home. But as days goes by, it's been 5 weeks of lockdown, and nowadays we all are becoming quite stressful, and few of us are even becoming lethargic. So, how to overcome all these? So, why are we getting diverted? Why are we getting demotivated? How are we not able to give our full productivity towards our work, and why are we becoming lethargic? So, how to overcome all these? So, there are few tips and suggestions which we are going to give you and help you all out to overcome this demotivation which you all are facing right now. So, this lethargic is none other than every time if you see that we get a new job or a new role, we get very motivated, we get very enthusiastic, and we try to give our best. We work so hard, we put in all our efforts and try to prove that we are good at it, and we become so energetic that we enjoy doing our work. But over a period of time, we get into a comfort zone. So, similar is happening right now. So, initially the work from home was a very new culture, and we were trying to adapt ourselves to it, and initially we were very energetic, enthusiastic, and we were trying to prove our works. We are trying to give our 100%, but as days when we just went into our comfortable zone, and now we are left very much demotivated, wondering when will all these get over and when will we be back to the normal situation. So all these are fine. So what are the steps to cope up with it and how to overcome it? So the first is to follow a routine. Make the routine work for you. Like for example, if you have some work, you can just provide certain time for your work and certain time for rest and certain time for your games and certain time for relaxation. So when you provide a routine for yourself, when you follow strictly on how to go about these period of quarantine and work from home, when you yourself put a plan for you to work, and if you follow it strictly, then you can definitely overcome it. You can follow the same routine as you follow at your office, and sleep is a very must thing. For example, when we are left alone with our devices, we tend to stay late at night scrolling down at devices and putting our more time and energy into the devices, even at times we are sleepy. So this is really dangerous and we have to control ourselves. So try to sleep and give yourself give your body a rest of at least 6 hours. Undisturbed sleep of 6 hours is very essential for you all to enhance your productivity during the work you are supposed to do during the day. So try to sleep by 10 p.m. and get up in the morning by 6 a.m. and try to manage your work and sleep, and this will this routine, if you get to follow religiously, you will feel the stress moving away from you slowly, and you can really overcome it. And this really helps, and following a routine is very important. So apart from which, you can also follow the office hours which you regularly follow. So this will also help you to maintain a scheduled pattern of works. So you can finish the works on time, and within the scheduled time your works are done, and you can take the rest of the time and spend the time with your family members and friends and relatives, neighbors, everyone. So help your family and make them understand that your work is very important, and ask them not to disturb you during your work. So keep a pattern that you work from 9 to 6 as per office hours, and after 6 the office is over and it is time to spend with your family and friends. Set up an environment, set up a place wherein it is religiously dedicated to your work, and during your work time be there, dedicate yourself to your work and work continuously, religiously. During your work you can take short breaks, but during the short breaks don't tend to take your phone and scroll down and spend your time on messaging, chats, social medias. Instead you can spend your time with your family members and friends. Being human beings, we all are social humans and animals, that we tend to interact, and interaction helps us to overcome the stress. So when we interact, when we open up, we are slightly getting better and we feel light. So that is how we can help ourselves to overcome the stress we are facing. So you can spend time with your family, spend few times to play games, and you can always interact with your family and friends, and they are the support system you really need. With that support you can really achieve and go higher and higher. So with all these, it is very important to maintain strict thankfulness, like gratitude. Gratitude is very important. So before you start your day and when you wake up, you can offer a prayer, like you can say God for thanks for all you have with you, and before you go to sleep, you can also pray for all the things that have happened during the day. So prayer can really help you to overcome all the stress and burden you are facing. And apart from all these, you can spend some time with the needy people. That it might not be in terms of money also. You can spend some time, you can send some efforts, you can put some efforts to make them happy, to make them to bring a smile on their face. So with all these efforts taken from your end, you can definitely help them, and by helping them you can gain happiness. So when you give, you get the happiness you really need. So with all these, you can definitely help yourself and help others to overcome the stress and the burdens and the demotivation you are facing right now. So having said that, we really don't know when the situations are gonna get into normal, and until then all we can do is with what all we have. So getting ourselves motivated and keeping us always motivated is one thing which is very important for us to overcome the stress which we are facing and which is really demotivating us. So in order to overcome the stress, you can follow all the steps said above, and you can help yourself, and by helping yourself, you're helping your family as well. Be happy and keep your surroundings happy. So thank you. We hope that this session was very useful and informative for y'all. We will catch you again next Thursday, same timing, 12 p.m. Hope to see you all with yet another useful and informative topic. Thank you.